thousands upon thousands of kids lusted over a shiny new Honda Trail 70s during the 70s. And many of those little folks probably fit the definition of Grom. I was one of those kids. Although since I didn't grow up surfing, it took until now for me to learn that Honda's new little 125cc funbike got its name as a shortening of grommet, surfer slang for a young shredder. Grom definitely boosts the cool factor of this new for 2014 model versus the MSX125. A designation this world bike carries markets abroad. Gen Y references are prevalent in Grom press materials, but this modern interpretation of that CT70 of my youth makes this 4-speed, air-cooled, 4-stroke single predictably irresistible to kids of all ages and or gender. Honda's recent barrage of entry-level models has been impressive, but even if you added up the impact of all of the CBR/CRF250 and CB500 variants, it wouldn't match the level of interest that the little Grom has generated around the Cycle World water cooler. Word also has it that the $2,999 machine is getting snatched up as quickly as dealers can get them uncrated and prepped. There's just something about this small bike that fires up the riding imagination. The biggest surprise on my first try? How spacious the ergonomics are on this pint-sized, street-legal package.